Have you ever sit down with ChatGPT or another AI system and tried to make it do something you want, but it just didn't work the way you expected? At the same time, you see other people doing impressive things with it, and you wonder, how are they doing it? Well, the secret is that they know how to talk to AI, specifically how to structure their requests. It all comes down to prompt engineering. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a formula for crafting effective prompts. We'll cover the basics and practice creating prompts for a workout plan and a professional email. Let's dive in. First things first, let's break down the essential ingredients of a great prompt. Instruction is about telling the AI what action you want it to take. It's the main objective of the request. Using strong words like generate, solve, translate, or summarize makes your request clearer and ensures that AI knows exactly what you need. Context is about providing background information or setting the scene for your request. By including relevant details, scenarios, audience, and so on, you help the AI understand the situation better, leading to a more accurate and tailored responses. When we talk about style, we mean the tone and manner of the AI's response, ensuring it aligns with the desired communication style. Use descriptive adjectives. Words like formal, casual, motivational, sarcastic, inspirational will help define the style. You can use the style of a specific person or character, specify emotional style, perspective, and so on. Format specifies how the AI should organize the response. It can be done using bullet points, numbered lists, tables, schedules, etc. Framing involves adding constraints or limitations to your prompt to guide the AI response more precisely. Why would you want to do it, you may ask? Well, to set the boundaries that shape AI's output. Using constraints like limitations, exclusions, or specific focuses can help you set boundaries on AI's output. Now, let's put it all together with our effective prompt formula. Instruction plus context plus style plus format plus frame. Let's break it down with an example. Generate a motivational workout plan for a fitness beginner that requires no special equipment and can be done at home, organized as a weekly schedule. Where instruction is generate a workout plan. Context for a fitness beginner. Style is motivational. Format is organized as a weekly schedule. And frame requires no special equipment and can be done at home. By clearly specifying each element, you guide the AI to produce exactly what you are looking for. Now, let's practice. Let's look how you can use basic techniques to create an effective email prompt. Same as before, let's start with instruction. Draft an email. Next, let's add some context for AI to understand whom you are writing to. Draft an email responding to a customer complaint about delayed shipping. Let's add desired tone. Draft a professional and empathetic email responding to a customer complaint about delayed shipping. Now we will add some structure to it, using bullet points for clarity. If you want to be more specific on what we want to offer in return to the customer, we need to add some framing, assuring them of expedited delivery and offering a discount on their next purchase. Now, let me show you how powerful this can be with using before and after. Before, draft an email responding to a customer complaint. The AI might give you a generic overview that's too broad and not focused. After using prompt formula, you can now see how specifying the context of the complaint, the desired tone, the solution, and the format can produce a more targeted and relevant reply. So there you have it, the right formula for an effective prompt to get you the results you want from the AI. Remember, it's all about clear instructions, providing the context, setting the right tone, organizing the output, and guiding the AI with constraints. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and you will be a prompting pro in no time. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Be sure to check out my next video, where we'll be covering more advanced techniques of prompt engineering. You will not want to miss it.